What is up, guys? Today we have the Dolphin Escape pool cleaner robot here, and this is actually really great. Now, this is designed for above ground pools, but it also works for small in-ground pools as well. As you can see over here, I have a small in-ground pool right here. This is only 27 feet, and it's a really simple layout aside from a few steps, which I'll talk about later. And this pool robot actually works really well. So the reason why this works so well in above ground pools is because above ground pools are usually one shape. It's either some sort of square or circular shape, but the floors and the walls of the above ground pool are always flat. It's straight floor and wall, and this robot works really well in those situations where there's a simple layout. That's why this will work really well also in an in-ground pool that's small with a simple layout. Now, first thing I want to say is this is a really great value. For an above ground pool cleaner, you actually get a lot of features with this robot that's associated with in-ground pool cleaners. So that's actually really cool. For the price, you can't really beat it. Now, this robot is very lightweight. It only comes in at about 14 pounds, so it's perfect for people that have a hard time lifting things, heavy things, in and out of the pool. What's great about this robot is that it has smart navigation technology. So when you put this in a pool, as opposed to other cleaners where you just push the button to turn it on and it runs a set course, this will actually map your pool, so you'll actually get more efficiency out of it. It'll know which way to go, and it'll clean those areas really well. The Dolphin Escape has these tracks here. It's called hyper grip tracks on both sides of the robot. It's kind of like tank wheels, and they work really well to adhere to the surface of your pool. It sticks to the floors, it sticks to the walls, and it allows it to climb really well. It also scrubs away all that debris there too. Speaking of scrubbers, you take a look right here, you have this big scrubber right here in the front here, and it works really well to knock away all that debris, all that dirt, so that the vacuum actually sucks it up right back here, this big opening here for the vacuum. It also cleans algae, which is really great, especially for above ground pools. This has a very large debris filter canister that's accessed by basically pulling this back, and this handle pops up and you just pull it right out. Super easy to clean. It has this bottom latch here that you open up, let out all your debris there, spray it down with a hose, and just pop it right back inside. Really, really easy to use that. So this Dolphin Escape does a lot of really good things, but what does it not do well? First, it is designed for smaller pools. You can't use this in pools above 30 feet. So it works well for above ground pools and small pools below 30 feet. Second, there is no scheduled timer with this robot. It's the kind of robot you put into the pool and turn it on, and once it's done, you take it out. You can't program it for 1 week at a time like most other timers. You can't program it to go on once, twice, 7 days a week. It's simply a put it in your pool, turn it on kind of robot. And third, this does a really great job at cleaning the floors and walls of your pool, but it does not clean the water line. It'll climb up there, but it won't stay up there and scrub the water line. Water line cleaning is a feature on most premium, high-end, expensive robots. That's not really a big deal for me because I have a pool brush. It only takes me a few minutes to scrub the water line myself. The trade-off there is that I save hundreds of dollars, but I do have to do some physical work. Not a big deal for me. If you can manage without those features there, then this Dolphin Escape is actually one of the best pool cleaners out there. Definitely worth the price. Great value. So let's go ahead and turn this on and show you how well this works. Okay guys, so the pool robot is on now, and take a look, he's starting to move now, and I want to show you, he does try to climb walls. Just take a look at him try to climb this section right here. It'll go up, but then it goes right back down because it won't actually climb all the way up, but it does keep trying. Actually, it's trying to climb up higher now, but when it reaches the top here, it'll go back down because remember, it does not clean the water line here. Okay guys, so you can see he's actually hitting the stairs of my pool right now, and the thing about this robot is that it does not climb stairs well. Remember, this robot works best in flat surface pools, above ground pools, so it will not climb stairs. Alright guys, so this robot actually has 2 motors, so it actually is more efficient and more powerful than it looks. You can see it's actually climbing up the wall right now, but again, it doesn't clean the water line, so it backs back up. And one thing I do want to note is when it goes forwards and backwards, it cleans both directions. It's not just forwards, which is actually really great. It's more efficient and it runs faster, so it cleans both directions. This has a 90-minute run cycle, so every time you turn it on, it lasts 90 minutes. So overall, if you guys are looking for a really great pool cleaner, one that's designed specifically for above ground pools, but you can actually use it in small, simple in-ground pools, one that cleans the floors and the walls of your pool, then this Dolphin Escape is definitely the way to go. Definitely something I recommend.
We hope this review helps.